Hello crochet friends and welcome back to Yarn Over Hook. My name is Sammy and in today's video I'm going to show you how to do the pike stitch. This stitch is so fun. Look at that texture. It is such a fun mesh netting kind of stitch. I love it, and it only uses 2 stitches, the extended single crochet and a chain. It is super simple. I can't wait to get into it, so let's get started. To begin your pike stitch project, you want to chain an odd number and then turn it over. We're going to work in the bumps. You want to skip 1, 2, 3, 4 and do our first extended single crochet into that 5th chain from our hook. So we'll insert our hook, yarn over, and pull through. Yarn over, pull through that first loop only. Yarn over, and pull through both loops on your hook. And then chain 1. That is the entire stitch. We will just be repeating this over and over and over again. So we're going to skip the next chain and then go into the following and do that same thing. We'll insert our hook. Let's get all the fibers on there. There we go. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over, pull through that first loop only. Yarn over and pull through both loops on your hook. And then chain 1. And we'll do it again. Skipping that next chain, we'll go into the following. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over, pull through that first loop only. Yarn over and pull through both loops on your hook. And then chain 1. And we'll work our last extended single crochet into our last chain, skipping that next one. So we'll insert our hook, yarn over, and pull through. Yarn over, pull through that first loop only. Yarn over, and pull through both loops on your hook. And that is our first row. And then you turn. This is the row that you will be repeating all the way until your desired length. Super simple, right? First we'll chain 3. 1, 2, and 3. And then we will work our first extended single crochet into the next extended single crochet. So not this one where our chain is, but the next one. We'll go right in the middle there, right into that opening, making sure not to go into the chain, but the actual opening of our extended single crochet. So we'll insert our hook into there, yarn over, and pull through. Yarn over, pull through that first loop only. Yarn over, and pull through both loops on your hook. And then chain 1. And then going into the next extended single crochet, yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through that first loop only. Yarn over, and pull through the remaining 2 loops on your hook. And then chain 1. And then into that next extended single crochet. Insert our hook, yarn over, and pull through. Yarn over, pull through that first loop only. Yarn over, and pull through. And then chain 1. And to end our row, we're going to do an extended single crochet into not this first chain closest to our project, but the next one. So we're going to skip this chain here, right here, and go into the next one. There we go. Yarn over and pull through. And then yarn over, pull through that first loop only. Yarn over and pull through the 2 loops on your hook. Oh, that just looks so fun. I love it. And we'll just repeat that second row. So turn, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and work your first extended single crochet into that next extended single crochet opening. This is such a fun stitch, and it just crochets up so quickly. And the texture is really fun. You all will have to let me know in the comments what you end up making with this stitch. And I just want to show you one more time how to end a row. So we're going to skip this chain right here and work our last extended single crochet into the next one right here. So we're skipping this one and working our last extended single crochet into the next one. Awesome. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over, pull through that first loop only. Yarn over and pull through the remaining 2 loops on your hook. Then you'll turn, chain 3, and begin again. Oh, this is so fun. Definitely let me know what you end up making with this stitch. I would love to hear it. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe, and ding the bell so that you know when we upload a new video. And I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!